If you've ever tried to eat healthy, you've probably hit that wall of anxiety. You start checking labels, tracking apps, and wondering, how am I supposed to hit my protein, fiber, iron, and a dozen vitamins every single day? Here's the secret. You don't. Your body is not a spreadsheet. It's an adaptive biological system. It doesn't need a perfect balance every 24 hours. It needs a consistent pattern over weeks and months. Think of your nutrition like a bank account, not a daily exam. Your daily foundation is your consistency. That's your protein, your hydration, and at least 1 or 2 servings of fruits or veggies. That's your base level, the stuff that keeps the engine running every day. Then you have your weekly power-ups. This is your fatty fish, your beans, your legumes. These are nutrient-dense, but you don't need to stress if you miss them on a Wednesday. You just need to make sure they show up on your weekly balance sheet a few times over the 7 days. See the difference? One is for maintenance, the other is for optimization. Stop trying to optimize every single meal and just focus on building the foundation. Some things you need to pay into daily, like protein, because your body burns through it. Other things, like healthy fats or specific minerals, don't need to hit your plate every morning. You can get away with 2 servings of fatty fish a week to top up your omega-3s. You don't need to be a botanist tracking the rainbow at every meal. The people who stay healthy long-term aren't the ones tracking every gram. They're the ones who build flexible routines. Maybe you had takeout yesterday. Maybe you skipped your greens today. Maybe you're going to crush a dessert tomorrow. That's not a failure, that's just a Tuesday. One meal doesn't make your diet, and one meal certainly doesn't ruin it. Stop asking yourself, did I eat perfectly today? That's a trap that leads to burnout. Instead, look at your week. Did you get a decent spread of nutrients over the last 7 days? If the answer is mostly yes, you are doing just fine. Stop chasing perfection. It's expensive, exhausting, and frankly, unnecessary. Build a pattern you can actually sustain because the best diet in the world is the one you don't quit. Follow Paramed for practical health advice you can actually use in everyday life.